In this module, we're going to show you how to use paid ads, even with a small budget, to get more traffic, more clicks, and more sales from your digital products. You don't need thousands of dollars to advertise. You just need the right message, the right product, and the right platform. Let's talk about the three best ad platforms for digital product sellers. 1. Facebook and Instagram ads. These two run through the same meta platform and give you access to one of the biggest audiences online. The best part? You can run highly targeted ads, even if your budget is as little as $5 a day. Here's what works best. Promote your lead magnet first. Not to your product, build a warm email list, then follow up with offers. Use short videos or scroll-stopping visuals. Your Canva mockups work great here. Don't just say, buy this planner. Instead say, feeling unorganized? Grab this free 3-page planner and get your week under control in 10 minutes. Once they're on your list, your funnel now does the rest. 2. Pinterest is one of the best-kept secrets in digital product marketing. People on Pinterest are searching for solutions like printable budget tracker, self-care journal, or goal planner template. Promote your digital products or lead magnets with pins that link directly to your store or opt-in page. Use keywords in your pin descriptions and keep your visuals clean and clickable. Pinterest is a visual search engine, not social media, and that makes it perfect for selling digital products that solve problems. 3. Test small, then scale. Don't try to do everything at once. Run one ad, spend $5 to $10 a day, and track what happens. Focus on click-through rate cost per lead, and whether people are actually entering your funnel. If it works, scale it. If not, tweak your image, headline, or offer. You don't need big wins on day one, you just need data. And remember, if you're using products from the ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault, you've already got plug-and-play lead magnets, beautiful mockups, and sales pages ready to go. That means faster launches and easier ad creation. Use your Vault content to build quick freebies, test small offers, and drive paid traffic with confidence. Paid ads are like fuel for your funnel, but you don't pour it all in at once. You drip a little at a time, learn, and adjust. In the next module, we'll explore how to get other people to promote your products for you, using affiliate and influencer marketing strategies. Let's scale up.